Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to cancel a pending transaction at Wells Fargo. Start by opening the Wells Fargo mobile app or go to the Wells Fargo website on your browser. Once you are logged in, look at the main menu on your screen. You want to find the section that shows your recent account activity. Tap or click on Transactions, and then select Activity Center. This is where Wells Fargo lists actions that are still in progress, including pending transactions. Now, scroll through the list carefully and find the transaction you want to cancel. Pending transactions usually have a label that says pending, so they are easy to spot. After you find the right transaction, select it. This will open more details about that specific item. If the option is available, you will see a button or link that says Cancel. Tap or click on Cancel. Then follow any prompts on the screen to confirm your choice. Keep in mind that not all transactions can be canceled. If you do not see a cancel option, it likely means the transaction has already been processed or is too far along to stop. In that case, you may need to contact Wells Fargo customer support for further help. Thanks for watching.